days, weeks, and months of a year. It's a tool that helps us organize our time. We write important stuff on our calendar, like doctor's appointments or weekly soccer practice. What are the days of the week? There are 7 days in a week. There's Monday, that's when we have art at school. Tuesday's when I have soccer practice. Wednesday's pizza day. Thursday is when I skateboard with my friend Liam. Friday means spelling tests. And then there's Saturday and Sunday. That's called the weekend because it's the end of the week. Get it? Let's see. Today is the 1st, and it's a Wednesday. Next Wednesday falls 7 days later, so it'll be the 8th. The next Wednesday is 7 days after that, and it'll be the 15th. Then the Wednesday after that will be on the 22nd. See the pattern? You can add 7 to find the date of the same day next week. You see another pattern? Cool. You can find patterns of even and odd numbers. What are the months of the year? There are 12 months in a year. The year starts with January. Then there's February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Some months are 30 days long. Other months are 31 days long. Oh, right. Except for February. It is 28 days. Well, February does have 29 days during a leap year. What is a leap year? Most years are 365 days long because it takes Earth about 365 days to go around the sun. But it actually takes 365 days plus a few hours for the Earth to go around the sun. So every 4 years, we have a leap year. It has 1 extra day to make up for the extra time. A leap year has 366 days. We add the extra day onto February. How do you write the date? The date is how people write the month, day, and year. Well, Grandpa's birthday is March 19th, 1942. To write the date, I first write the month. Then I write the number of the day. Then I write the year. Wait, there's something missing. The comma. That comes after the day. You can also write the date only using numbers. Each month is assigned a number. January is the 1st month, so it gets a 1. February is the 2nd month, so it gets a 2. March is the 3rd month, so it gets a 3. We can use slashes, hyphens, or periods to separate the numbers so you can read them more easily. I know I'm forgetting something important. Let's look at the calendar for today. It's Mr. Patchoulli's birthday, but we didn't bake him a cake. Wow, robots sure come in handy. Oh, Moby.
Okay, that should have been a pretty easy review. Who knows the months of the year from beginning to end? Okay, excellent. What's the 1st month? Just say it as
January.
Go ahead and yell out the 2nd one.
February.
3rd?
March.
April.
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 May.
going too fast for me. Okay, during what month is Valentine's?
February 14th.
During what month is, this is an easy one, Christmas?
December.
What month is my birthday?
Hold on. What month do we start school?
September.
What month do we end school?
June.
What month is Miss Wall's birthday?
March.
April.
May.
October.
Oh, that's me too.
Okay, now when I say go, yell out when your birthday is. Go.
September. October.
July.
Okay.
April.
Alright, so now how many weeks are in a year?
12.
365.
There are 365 days in a year. So 365 days
Enough for the thing.
in 1 year.
For the Earth to orbit the sun, I guess, go around it.
Yes, it takes 1 year for the Earth to orbit the sun. So if there's 365 days in a year, are there going to be more weeks in a year or less weeks in a year? Less. How many weeks are in a year?
12.
160. No, wait.
13.
12.
I've done
11.
There are 52 weeks in a year.
Knew it.
This is another good one to know. 52 weeks in 1 year.
It's 51.
So it takes two. So it takes basically a year to go around the sun.
Yeah, that's how we measure 1 year. Okay, we're going to skip the easy quiz because this was a review for you guys. So we're just going to do the hard quiz. And I'm going to pull sticks.
Yes.
How many days does February have during a leap year?
Oh, Cruz isn't here.
I'm Cruz.
Adrian.
Oh, they go.
29. Oh, should have been Cruz.
How many days does it have in
March
a non-leap
14th.
year?
28.
I have to do it too.
Yeah, go ahead and just tell me.
In the non-leap year,
Yeah, the answer is not on the screen. I'm just asking it.
28.
28, yeah.
Also, you
If today is Tuesday, March 11th, what will be the date next Tuesday?
Marley.
What? Oh, no. Oh, I know this one. Wait.
I think Marley has it.
See?
C is not correct.
Oh,
That's right. How'd you figure that out?
I thought about it. I can tell it.
Okay, Jamie, will you
11
explain
plus
it?
7.
And why did you say 11 plus 7?
Because if you add it with 7, it goes. I can't explain it, but
So why 7?
because it's how many days
So
a week. No.
That's right. So if you start on the 11th and you go 1 week, that's 7 days. So if you're on the 11th of the month, 7 days later, or 11 plus 7, will give you 18.
Thank you for your attention.
Which month comes after December?
Junior.
January.
Good job.
January.
You guys know she's pouring.
Which sentence is true? Every month has 30 days. Every month starts on a Monday. Every year has 12 months. Every year has 365 days.
Nope.
Alex. C. C is correct. Every year has 12 months.
Which month has the least number of days?
Oh, I know this one.
Jed. February is
That's
correct.
not my answer
Oh,
anyway.
yeah, it was.
Yeah, I agree.
How reminder of the 12 months. You can use it for reference if you'd like. And then it just asks what day of the week do those dates fall on. So you can write the day of the week next to it.
Do we
All right.
have to do this?
Yes. But first we're going to do our
Learn
next
more.
lesson on prisms. Since I already explained this was a two-part lesson today.
I'm so good at
The
this.
calendar is just review.
It's so important.
I know. Okay, so we're going to do a lesson on solid shapes. So, you know that, what shape is this?
Here, triangle.
A triangle, you're right. What if we wanted to make a shape three-dimensional?
That's a pyramid.
It's a pyramid. What's this?
Circle.
That's
Make
very
a
bad
sphere.
circle.
A sphere.
That's right, a sphere. Let's do, now what about this? What's this called?
Oh, that's a cone.
Cone, very good. And what's
Square.
square? And now what is it?
A cube.
Cube, very good. So this should be a review as well.
I know how to make a cube. A 3D.
And I know you guys will get this really well because shapes are your strong suit.
That's me.
Wow, Moby, that looks cute. Sorry, Moby. I think you dropped this. What is a cube? A cube is a solid shape. It has 6 faces or flat sides. The faces on a cube are all squares. There are 12 edges where the faces meet, and there are 8 vertices or corners. Plenty of things are shaped like cubes, like an ice cube, a number cube, or a box of tissues. What is a rectangular prism? Just like a cube, a rectangular prism has 12 edges
It's all perfect cube.
and 8 corners or vertices. You're right, Moby. These solid shapes both have 6 faces. But most faces of a rectangular prism are shaped like rectangles. And all the faces on a cube are squares. Tons of things are shaped like rectangular prisms, like a juice box, radio, and even a thin piece of paper. Some buildings are shaped like rectangular prisms too. What is a pyramid? This pyramid has 8 edges and 5 vertices or corners. There are 5 faces, and 4 of them are shaped like triangles. The base is the face on the bottom. The base of this pyramid is square. But I've definitely seen pyramids with bases that are different shapes. I guess the sides of any pyramid are triangles, and they all meet at one vertex. When I think of pyramids, I think of the great pyramids of Egypt. What is a cylinder? It has no vertices and a curved surface. 2 faces on a cylinder are circles. A cylinder can roll. A can of tuna, a penny, and a spool of thread are all cylinders. You know what's really cool? The curved part of a cylinder is actually a rolled up rectangle.
Toilet paper or roll.
What is a cone? A cone is a solid figure with one face, which is at its base. It's shaped like a circle. It has one point and a curved surface. A funnel, a traffic cone, and an ice cream cone are all cones. There's one more solid shape here. What is a sphere? A sphere has no faces, no edges, and no vertices. It's curved and round, so a sphere can roll. A ball, marble, globe, and an orange are all spheres. Sorry about the mess, Moby. Hey!
I'm doing a lesson right now. Can I call you later? Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, so I'd like you to go ahead and turn to this page. This is your guided direct teaching practice. So I'm going to go over this page with you. It should only take like 2 minutes, and then I'm going to let you guys go ahead and work in groups to complete your guided practice. Yes, Alice. I'll bet I took yours. Here you go. Yes.
Can we do the practice?
Oh, you know what? Yes, I think we have time to do the hard quiz.
No, easy quiz?
No easy quiz.
Oh, you're bringing each. No,
It would be too easy for you guys.
No. Hard quizzes are starting to get easy.
How many vertices does this box have?
Now, before you answer, can someone please tell me what a vertice is? Marley?
The points of the object.
Yeah? So, Damien, how many vertices does this have? 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you have to remember that there's a hidden vertice right in the back for 8.
Yeah,
You weren't lucky, you knew the answer.
So Z equals thick.
What shapes make up the faces of this pyramid?
So, can someone raise their hand and tell me what a face is? Adrian?
The bottom of the shape.
Not just the bottom, Marley.
The flat part.
It's the flat part. Whether that's up here at top, on the bottom, on the sides, it doesn't matter. So, Alex, how many faces does this pyramid have? 1 square and 4 triangles. That is correct.
Which shape has the most edges?
Okay. Marley.
B.
E.
Which item has 6 faces?
Junior.
Yes.
Which item has 6 faces? Am I blocking you or anything?
B.
B is correct, because we have 4 spaces along the sides, and a top for 5 and a bottom for 6. Last one.
Which block should Moby put at the bottom of his tower?
Here's a good one. So if you're building a tower, what would give you the most sturdiness? Jed. B is correct. What would happen if you put A, C, or D on the bottom of your tower?
Roll away. It'll fall.
You're right. Okay, now go ahead and turn to your packets.
Wait.
So here is the table we're going to fill out together.
I can't find the page.
It's right after the calendars.
Oh, okay.
It's right after it, so. Alright, so we're going to fill out this table as a group. have the figure or the shape, number of faces, number of edges, and then number of vertices. So our first shape, actually let me get a light on. Our first shape is a cube.
I know his face.
Okay, I'll call on people to tell me which is which. So first, Adrian, will you please tell me how many faces are on a cube?
6.
That's right. Does everyone agree?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, number of edges. Alex. This is kind of a hard one to think about. So here's a cube. How many edges are on that cube? I think you were counting the faces. So what's the edge? Nope. So just point to where the edge is. There's the vertice. So the edge is this part right here. How many edges do you have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can always pick it up to kind of flip it around, because I couldn't have answered that question if I didn't have something in my hand. That was a really hard one. Okay, now you can tell me how many vertices. Damien. 8. That's correct. And remember, another word for vertices, and I'll put this on the board, is corners. That's another way you could think of it. Okay, rectangular prism. Okay, Jed, can you tell me how many faces a rectangular prism has?
6.
You're right, it has 6. How is a rectangular prism different from a cube?
It's longer.
It's longer, you're right. It's like they took this cube and just stretched it, but it has the same amount of faces. Edges. Junior.
12.
12, that's right, because again, we haven't changed the number of edges, we've just made those edges longer. Number of vertices or corners. Marley. 8.
It's the same thing.
Yeah? Okay, now we're doing a triangular prism, and then you guys are good to go. Of course, that's not the best drawing. There. Okay, so who could tell me the number of faces? Marley? 5. 5. Who can tell me the number of edges? Adrian?
7.
No, there's more than that. Junior?
10.
Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I knew it. Yes.
Did I miss one?
Nope.
Okay, I don't think I did, but. So we're say 9. Number of vertices or corners. Jen. The vertices are the corners where the edges meet.
12.
What was the number?
12.
No, 12 is too many. Adrian?
8.
Let's count as a group. Oh, I think I heard it. So let's see. and you may go ahead and start on your practice. Me and Miss Lynn will be circulating to help. Yeah, I'll leave it up.
Right away.
Miss Walsh, this makes no sense.
Right away.
Which part?
I don't know what this has to do.
I don't think she said good. It was just for looking. I think she added it up.
Miss Walsh, do we have to do the calendar thing?
You need to answer the question.